I'm Suzanne, I'm the Director of Strengthening Communities at Galaidi, and we run Swansea Community Fridge. Thanks to a grant from Bwyd Abertawe, we were able to develop our outdoor courtyard garden into a growing space, and we've grown potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, raspberries, strawberries and lots of other fruit and vegetables, as well as doing some companion planting with herbs to try and manage pests. It's been an excellent opportunity to engage with our service users and our volunteers to help us grow additional fruit and vegetables to supplement our community fridge. It's been a wonderful project and we've had great feedback. As part of our project, we also developed home growing packs which we gave out to our community to enable them to grow at home. And we provided everyone with a bag, some tools, compost and some plants to grow, and people had a choice whether they had herbs or potatoes or some salad ingredients, and people kept growing diaries to keep us updated on the progress of their growing, and the feedback has been really positive.